Welcome back to my channel. So my channel is all about hairstyles. If you're new, welcome to my channel and you can check out my channel for more videos like this. So today's video is about celebrity inspired hairstyles and I'm gonna do Deepika Padukone inspired bun hairstyle. So I would probably say she is a queen of poofy and messy bun hairstyles. So I would love to recreate her hairstyles. So without any blabbering, let's get into the video. Coming to the hairstyle, firstly side part your hair like this and then take a small section of hair from the side of your face and then divide it into 3 sections and then cross your right strand over the middle and then your left strand over the middle. Again cross your right strand over the middle and add hair from the sides to the middle strand. And then take your left strand, cross it over the middle and then add from the sides of your hair to the middle strand. Again cross your right strand over the middle and then add hair to the strand like I'm doing. And then again cross your left strand over the middle, add hair to the middle strand. We are gonna repeat this step until where you tie your ponytail. Don't get confused, just repeat this step along with me. Now I'm just gonna stop talking so that you can concentrate on the hairstyle. Here I'm gonna stop adding hair and just do a regular 3-stranded braid and then secure it with a pin. The idea of doing so is to give the clip a good grip to stay in place. Now side part the other side and then repeat the same. I'm not gonna cut this part off so that people who haven't understood the other side will be able to understand it now. Now I'm gonna shut my mouth and give you time to understand the braid. Now after you're done with your braids on both the sides, take your front section like this and then clip it up with a claw clip. Now take another section just below the first section and then back comb it. Be gentle with this, guys. I have fast forwarded the video so that it looks like I'm not being gentle with my hair. Once you're satisfied, you can keep it away. If you want more volume, you can continue to tease it. I'm gonna take another section just below the second section and then repeating the same. It depends on how much volume you want. If you want more volume, then you can tease it more. I'm gonna keep that second section away and then take the third and last section and back comb it. Now flip all the three sections, leaving the first section. Mess, I know. Don't worry, we are gonna cover the mess with our first section and then cover it. Now just comb it gently on the top of your hair to smoothen it out so that our mess cannot be seen by the people. Grab all the front section and then pin it on the back like you would do your poof. Now hold your pins with your hand and then pull your poof to make it look fuller. I'm doing it with my tail comb, you can do it with your hands also. Place your rubber band like this and then put your rubber band half up and then with your left hand pull all your hair through the rubber band. The idea of doing your ponytail like this is not to ruin the poof. You can remove the clips if you want. Now take any random section from your ponytail and then divide it into two sections and then cross it one over the other like this till the end of the hair. As you're done, pull the twist to make it look messier and also to give it a good volume. So wrap the twist around your ponytail like this in a clockwise direction. Take another section, divide it into two sections and then twist it one over the other. Now wrap this twist around the ponytail in anti-clockwise direction. Now divide the remaining section into two and cross it one over the other till the end and then pull the twist. Repeat this step until you are remained with no hair. Now we are gonna wrap this twist around in a clockwise direction and then pin it in the place. Secure the bun with more pins so that it stays in the place. Comment down below if I've done justice to the recreation. And you're done with the hairstyle. And I think I've done a little bit of justice to the hairstyle. So yeah, we are done and I hope you like this hairstyle. And if you're a fan of Deepika Padukone hairstyles, I'm a big fan of her hairstyles, then you must try this hairstyle, guys. This is so simple and yet so elegant. And yeah, guys, I've tried to do makeup as hell. Don't laugh at me. Get this wing liner. That is only correct thing I've done, I guess. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Share it with your friends, guys. Please. Okay, chalo, bye bye. Take care.